In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you download Wombo Dream application into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store application. And after opening your Play Store, you will get to see this search button. Simply select search button and then tap to search tab. And after that, you will just simply have to search for Wombo Dream into your Play Store. Then after that, this colorful application of Wombo Dream AI art generator will be appeared. You just simply have to open that application and then tap to install button. And after tapping into install, this application of Wombo Dream will successfully be downloaded into your mobile phone depending on your internet connection speed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for this type of helpful content in future.